Okay, for this first example, I want you guys to pay attention. I've actually put it up on the board for you. I want you to write your long division house and put the dividend as 3,697. We're dividing that number by 12, which is called your divisor. Now we're in two-digit numbers, and so that multiplication gets bigger. So before we get started, we're multiplying everything in the house by 12. So what I want you to do is list out your multiples of 12 over to the side to about 7. And I've done that for you. But in your notes, go ahead and make sure that you do that. Multiples of 12. 12 times 1, 12. 12 times 2, 24. 12 times 3, 36. 12 times 4, 48. 12 times 5, 60. 12 times 6, 72. 12 times 7, 84. Because we're dividing everything in the house by 12, which is a two-digit number. So that helps with being able to do the longer division to get those multiples out of the way so that you can see which numbers match up where. So here we go. We're going to start with 12 divided by 3. 3 cannot be divided into 12, so that answer is a 0. And again, we like to do our multiplication that is there. So 0 times 12, 0. We subtract. Put your equal sign, bring down your 6. So now we have 36. How many times can 36 be divided into 12? So 36 can be divided into 12. Oh, I have it. 3 times. 3 times. So then that next number that you're going to put up top is your 3. And here we go back. So we divided, now we multiply. 3 times 12 is our 36. Next up, subtract 36 minus 36 is a 0. And I bring down my 9. So I bring down that 9. Now, how many times can 9 be divided into 12? Well, that's not over here. So then you check to see, okay, I know I'm going to have to stick a 0 in that next part. So 0 goes above the 9. Next step, 0 times 12 is 0. I subtract. 9 minus 0 is 9. I bring down my 7. So then I have a 7 that is here. 97. 97. Oh, well, look here. I don't have enough. But if I add 12 to my 84, which will be my 8, 12 times 8, I get 96. 96 is still less than 97, so that works. That is my 8. So sometimes you have to keep going if the numbers that you get for your products are not big enough, so make sure that you do that. So this is 96. That is my 8. So that is what I'm going to put up top. I have 12 times 8 gives me 96. That goes here. I subtract. Bring down my 1. There's nothing left to bring down, so this goes all the way back for my remainder of 1. And that is the very first problem that we're going to do together as a sample. We're going to do a couple more on the computer, so I'll see you on that end.